Welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing this Ottocast Cabin Care car adapter. This allows you to have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto while also being able to monitor your baby in the car seat. There's two ways to mount the camera. You can use the headrest or you can use the metal bar right here, which that's probably what I'll be doing. This is the CarPlay adapter right here, and then this is the camera. And then here's a mount right here. You can connect this circular portion to this headrest. Let's see if it works. So I'll put it right over here and tighten it down. Okay, so I installed it right on the head mount, and the ball joint is adjustable, so you can adjust the angle right over there. I have the wire kind of running down through here and then connected to the USB charger right over here. That way it turns on and off depending on if the car is on or off. We don't want it to be draining the battery. But let's go ahead and then plug this into the CarPlay unit in the front of the car so that it connects to this. So I went ahead and installed the USB right over there, and it is now connected to my screen, and I can choose the CarPlay menu or the camera. If I choose camera, it pops up like this, and you can see that I'm filming myself in the front, which is pretty cool. Camera quality looks pretty good. It's not the highest definition, but it's better than standard definition. Colors look good, it looks accurate, not too much lag that I see. I think it looks great. If you tap on the screen here, you have a couple options. You can go back to CarPlay full screen here, which is convenient. If you tap the screen at any point, you can just click up here on the top right and it'll take you back to the camera. He's looking at the camera. I think he likes the toy. The camera looks like a toy. It's like an owl. So he's just looking at it wondering what it is. Let's go click in again, and then we could do split screen here in the third option. And now you can see that we have CarPlay and split screen, so you can see them both. But my favorite screen would be the picture-in-picture. So you can kind of see them right here on the corner, but you can still do what you got to do with your CarPlay. And you can move him around. You can put him in the center, wherever you need him to be. You can be right there. That's pretty convenient. And I could see him just in the corner of the screen, which is awesome. He's getting a little fussy, so luckily we're getting to our destination in a couple minutes and we can probably feed him. If you need to go back to the full screen camera, just click anywhere on the screen and then click the first option, and there you are back in the full screen camera. So it's a very seamless transition going back and forth, and very simple device, easy to install, easy to use. I think it's really great option to have if you have a kid or two children in the back seat. You can actually get a wide enough angle to see both if you just mount the camera in the center. But yeah, I'd have more peace of mind knowing what he's doing, if he's sleeping or not, while still being able to listen to music and use Apple CarPlay at any point. So I recommend this device. I'll put a link down in the description if you want to buy one for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a good afternoon.